Yo, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, this is your boy Dice, the one and only. Yo, man, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my course. Welcome to my learning education experience. You feel me? But no, man, look, check this out, family. Hey, so today we're going to go over candle wicks and reversal candle wicks. When you see a candle go up in the wicks, what does it mean and what could potentially do next, family, as far as price action gain or price action loss, right? So if you guys first and foremost want some personal mentor coaching, please hit me up by email. My email is marksmantraders@gmail.com, all in one word. Marksman Traders, right? All in one word. No, Marksman Trades. I'm sorry. Yeah, go. So write that down. Marksman Trades, okay, at gmail.com. My Instagram is Dice0007. Not the letters, the numbers, right? Dice 0007. And my Facebook is Dice Allen. Just Dice Allen, and I should pop up. You should see me, right? So if you guys want some personal one-on-one mentor coaching, please hit me up so I can, book you. I can put you in my calendar, and I do a Zoom call like what we're doing right now for this education experience. And, you got any questions, you want me to go over something else, you just want me to help you trade in the market and be more comfortable trading in the market, hit me up, family. Please hit me up, and I'm gonna get it popping for you, because this is what I do for a living. Best believe it, I do this for a living. All right, so let's jump right into it. Let's jump right into it, family. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen for you guys real quick so you can check it out. So right now, the pair that we're looking at. So this is a cheat sheet. This is what you look at to identify which way the market is about to go next. You don't trade on this platform right here. This right here is just to see what direction the market is about to go. If you want to trade in the market, my personal broker, which I will drop in my link in the link in the description, is Race Options. I like Race Options because I can roll over. Roll over means buy yourself more time. We are trading in minutes. We're making money in minutes. So if the market is not going in my direction, then I can roll over and buy myself more time, versus other brokers where they don't have that option. You just, you go in for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, whatever. That's what you go in for. You can't buy yourself more time if you're not in profit, right? So I like Race Option. I'll put my link in the description so you guys can check it out, and we're gonna get it popping. All right, family. So look, the market moves in waves. I don't know how familiar you guys are, or whoever's watching, but the market moves in waves. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down, right? That's pretty much what it does. And the red candles are a bearish movement. Bearish movement just pretty much going down. And just think about it like you're on the elevator, and you push the button to go down. When you see a red candle, think of an elevator going down. And when you see a blue candle, think of it as an elevator going up. So that's pretty much what these candles are elevators going up and down. And I have it on a 5-minute time frame, family. This candle chart is on a 5-minute time frame right now, family. You can see right here off to the left-hand side, if you follow my mouse where it's highlighted at and it's blinking and excuse me, in black and white, it says 5 minutes. So that's why I like to keep my time frame on, because I trade 1 to 5 minutes depending on how the market is moving and what I want to do, right? So family, look, check this out. Check this out, family. We are going to talk about the wicks. Now, you want to find your resistance and your support. This is very key element. I mean, knowledge right here. You need to know this to become a marksman or a markswoman trader. To be a sniper, in the market, you absolutely want to write this down, because when I first started trading, I took it for granted. I was like, man, I can just eyeball it and smack some trades. No, you want to do your analysis. You want to be extremely correct before you go into the market, because, you know, we're talking about money right here, you know. So this is where you mark your charts up at. We have the wick action. Wicks are where the market has lost price momentum. So back to our elevator. So let's just go with this first wick right here. You probably this first candle, I mean, and you probably like, what is that wick? So I'm gonna zoom in really close for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know how good people's vision is that's watching. So I'm gonna try to get close as I can and in depth. So this candle, this body candle right here, and all these candles are 5 minutes a piece. If you look over here to the right-hand side, you see the candle counting down. We have 2 minutes and 25 seconds left until another candle will form. So you see it keep wicking. You see it goes up, the elevator's going up. You see it moving up, and then it goes back down. It's losing momentum. Why? Because the sellers is pushing it back down. They like, nope, get back down, or nope, get back down there, right? So that's why it keeps wicking right in here, because it's called price loss, right? So this is like somewhere where you want to mark up your ceiling, your resistance. A resistance is your ceiling. If you take a basketball and throw it up in your ceiling right now, what is it going to do, family? It's going to bounce down. It's going to bounce down, right? And if you take a ball and throw it on the floor, it's going to bounce up. That's what the market does. So we want to find the ceiling and we want to find the floor. That's when we get to marking up our charts, our wicks, right? So I'm gonna scroll back, and the market is on a downtrend. It's on a bearish momentum. If you guys can follow my mouse, look, check this out. Look, you see this wick right here? Red is down. Look, so it goes down, down, down. This blue, it went up for 5 minutes and then came back down, down, down. This candle right here, again, 5 minutes and went up, tried to go up to a certain point, but it couldn't reach that area and lost price action and came back down. Look, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up. See, you see what I'm saying? There's a pattern there. There's a pattern. There's a pattern where you could identify the trend of the market. And by identifying the trend in the market, is seeing which direction it's mostly going. And it's mostly going down. So I will be personally looking for sales. I will want to sell high and I want to buy low, right? I'll get into that another video. So you guys, please, tap into me, subscribe, join, pay attention, all that, because I'm here to give a whole lot of knowledge. There's going to be tons of more videos coming up too as well. So I'm always learning and spreading the joy, giving out information. So you guys, if you want some new sauce, tap in. So the market is going on the downtrend. We identify that. It's on the bearish movement. So look at this wick. I will go back probably like in the last 2 hours, and I will go back to this the highest point where it went up to, and it looks like this wick right up in here, right? So when you see the market does this, when you see the market go up and then wick, I'm trying to get it close as possible, family, so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. I don't want it to be like, I can't even see what he's talking about. He got it too far back. So I'm trying to zoom in close as I can. Just bear with me. All right, cool, we right there. So look, family, check this out. This is the highest that the market had went up to. I want to mark this up as my ceiling, as my highest high, right? But there's more lower lows than higher highs. That's another video I have for you guys to check that out, higher highs and lower lows. But we're talking about candle wicks and reversal. So look, the market had went up here. This was once upon a time a blue candle. This wick right here shows you that the market went up to right here, touched 7-11, and came back crashing down, right? Came back crashing down. So family, that to me identifies to me that if the market goes back over here in this area, it's going to come back down because we have a whole lot of price action loss. So that's our ceiling right there. Now, family, you want to find your floor. Now you want to find your floor. So let's go let me scroll back to where the market is currently moving. All right, so look, check this out. You see the market wicked down right here. That means this candle once upon a time was red. This candle had went the other way. The elevator was going down, and then it hit this area and bounced back up. See, look at this wick too right here. You see, this candle closed out. Let me get in a whole lot closer for you guys. Let me zoom in. You guys can see what I'm talking about. I like to get up close so you guys can check it out. So this candle right here, it closed out right here, right? It closed out right here, but it went down here to the last three numbers off to the right-hand side that's in black and white, 290. It went down to 290 once. It almost came down when this candle had formed, almost went down there again, but just hovered a little bit above. This candle did. This candle had touched down there to that 290 and just skyrocketed, went in the other way, the other direction. So the wicks are very important. That means it's price action loss or price action gain, right? So I will mark this up as my floor. That's simple. Where you see the most wicks at on your chart, mark them up as your ceiling or as your floor. So I will scroll back a little bit more. Let me see these other candles. Look, you have price action too in this area that was lost. So yeah, I'll mark this up right here as my floor. So I have my ceiling way up here, and I have my floor way down there, right? Now, the market can break through my floor. Why I say that? If the market is being oversold. Now, that's going to be another video, but right now we're just talking about candle wicks. So you guys, please make sure you stay tuned and please follow my channel, my course, all that to get the sauce, because I'm telling you, I'm gonna give all the sauce. You feel me? So the market can potentially go down to that area if it's being oversold. Let me see if it's being oversold. It's barely being oversold. We have a couple indicators that's in that area to be oversold, where it could potentially pull the market back down to the bearish momentum of going back down on the downtrend, right? So I will be looking for puts. So I will, let me mark this up right here, family. I'm gonna find the ceiling. It looks like the market wanna go up to here, to this wick, because the market pretty much repeats itself. It goes up, down, up, down. I'm gonna scroll back for you guys so you can check it out in just a second here. But let me show you guys. So look, the market, you see the market wicking? You see what I mean by the wicks? That means it lost momentum, it lost strength. It's trying to go up. It's trying to go up, but the sellers is pushing it down. It's pushing it down. So this is an indicator to me that the market is about to go on the downtrend. It's about to get ready to go down. After the next candle, after the next 37 seconds, let's see what the next candle be. Now, it might start off blue, go up for just a little bit, hit this wick area where the price action loss is, and start to go down. So let's check it out. We got 26 seconds left. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Because we pretty much identified our ceiling and our floor. Our ceiling is right up here at 393, and our floor is at 288. So, but I believe the market is about to go down because it's been going down for quite some time now. But it could be a reversal. It can trick you. It can hit this area and start going back up. And that's when you want to go check what your currency strength, what dollar is stronger than what. And if the Canadian dollar is stronger than the Japanese yen, then the market could potentially go back up. But if the Japanese yen is stronger than the Canadian dollar, then the market is going to continue to go down, right? But that's going to be another video too as well. Like I said, make sure you guys tap in, check it out. I'm going to show you how to get to the currency strength meter, how to read the currency strength meter, and how to get a bag when you in the market by going and looking at your analysis. So look, here we have it. So we have our blue candle. At first it was red. It went down a little bit. You see right here, this candle had went down. Okay, boom, there you go. It's dropping. Like I said, it's gonna turn blue. It's going to go up for a bit. It's going to reach this price action loss area and turn to a red candle, start to go back down, because I feel like the market is about to go on this bearish move to continue to go down. That's what it's been doing the last about 2 hours. So boom, if you was to sell right here, if you was to catch it for the sale right here at the tip, right at 344 for a sale immediately, soon as the market touched up there in this area at 344, you hit the sell button, you would be in profit right now. And all you need is 1 minute to clear that trade. You don't need to be in the market for 7 minutes, 13 minutes. You know, the longest I would say is 4 minutes. I don't never even trade 4 minutes of myself, but by me having rollover on race option, it gives me an option, you know, a button where I can put to buy myself more time if I'm not in profit. And then that 1 minute trade can turn into 2 minutes. And if I do it rollover again, that 2 minutes can turn into 3. So the longest I stay in the market is for 3 minutes, but I like to look at a 1 to 5 minute candlestick chart. And this is a 5 minute candlestick chart that we're looking at, right? I also look at a 1 minute candlestick chart on my other screen as well. The more analysis you have, the better you are going to get in executing your trades in the market and being a marksman or a markswoman trader, right? Let's run it back. So look, the market is doing exactly what I said it was going to do, family. It was going to go up. It was going to first be a blue candle. It was going to go up a little bit, and then it was going to go down. If you have to rewind my video and watch what the candle was doing, right? Watch what the candle had did. So if we would have caught that for the sale, we would have been in profit. Now it looks like the market is trying to go back up. So we have this right here for a resistance. If it touched this area, if it touches our ceiling again, let's sell. Let's go ahead and hit the red button and sell right there at 346. But it looks like the market is dropped down and is gone. We have exactly 2 minutes left on this candle, and it keeps wicking right here in this area. So that's another indication too as well that it's price action loss. It's pretty much playing ping pong right now. But I personally believe, just by looking at the way the market is moving, that it's about to continue to go down. If this candle closes out up under our ceiling, it's going to continue to go down. Now, if this candle just burst up because the dollar, the currency has changed, right? You go to your currency meter and you see that the Canadian dollar got so strong, it got stronger than the Japanese yen, and it just shoots up, it just shot up. Then you like, hey, that's the reversal in the market because we identified the wicks. Look, family, there's wicks right here, but you also want to see if the market is being oversold or overbought. I believe the market is going to continue to go down. So we have 1 minute and 11 seconds left to this candle. Like I said, family, if this candle closes out, if this right here, you see it's pushing down, if it stops up under this our line, if it closes down here, the next candle is going to form, and it might touch this ceiling and then come crashing down, or it might just get the dropping down right off the bat. That's what I believe the market is about to do. We got 48 seconds to see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. So let's see. Let's see if it touches this area, this 346 area, and then come tumbling down. We want this candle to close out up under this green line. As long as it closes out up under this green line, we're good. The market is going to continue to go on a downtrend. So let's get some salts real quick. Check this out, family. This is going to be superb right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I love the market, right? Because we can do our analysis and we can see the potential wave, which way is about to go. And then we can go to our broker and we can make a bag. We can make a bag. And that's what I do. I don't work. This is money in minutes. Why I go work for somebody and I can make somebody days worth of pay, not trying to brag to anybody. And I can make that in 1 to 2 minutes. So look, we have the market going down, exactly like I said. The candle had closed out right down here. It closed out down here, family. So I wanna mark that up actually. Let's mark that up, family. Let's mark that up where it had closed out at. Right up in here, huh? All right, let's mark that up for you, family. Right up in here, it closed. You see, in this circle right here, it closed. Then the next one opened right here, right at the tip. And then it started dropping. You see how, let's see this one close too. It's going to close down here. This is a bullish movement. It's going down. The market is going on a downtrend. So family, you always want to make sure that you go with the trend and not against it. If you scroll back, right? Let's enlarge this. If you scroll back and you going all the way back. I don't care if you got to go back 2 days, 3 days. Look what the market has did. It just went all the way down here, went up, went down, went up, down, up, 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 up. So now all the market is doing is repeating itself. It's trying to go back down. That's all the market is doing, is trying to work its way back down. And you want to go look at the dollar amount too as well. You always go look at the dollar amount, your currency strength, to see which dollar is stronger than what, so you have a better understanding of which direction the market potentially start going to, because you know, you want to always make sure your analysis is superb when you're in the market, right? So let's get back to it. Let's get back to it, family. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my screen. Reload. So yeah, family, that pretty much sums it up. So you want to always look for your resistance and your support. You want to mark your resistance at the tip of the wick, where the last previous candle had went to. That's where you want to mark your resistance or your support up at. And you want to see which dollar amount is stronger than what, to have your analysis even more superb. So let me go ahead and get back on track right here. Okay, boom. So family, right here, you see, now we have the market going down. Now you see in this market, I mean, this markup right here, this is our floor. This is our floor. So the market might touch this area at 288 and come right back up, not a problem. But if the market is being oversold, it's going to break through there with not a problem. It's going to continue to go down, and which I potentially think it's going to do. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's going to break through. It's going to break through, family. We might have a ping pong in this area for a little minute, but it's eventually going to break through and go down all the way and past our support area, which is fine, because sorry for the ads, family. It's going to break through our support area because the market is being oversold right now. So I hope this made sense, you guys. I hope you guys understand what price action is and what it does and why it keeps going down when you thinking it's about to go up. So it's right here, right at our area at 292. Our floor is at 288. You see it keep touching this area and coming back up, right? It's touching this area and bouncing back up. Look at the wick. The wick tells you that it's respecting this area right here. There's price action loss and the market goes back up. So if you would have went in right here for a call for 1 minute, you'll be in profit. I wouldn't personally go in for no call because I want to go with the trend and not against the trend, because look, it just dumped down even further. I will be looking for puts because I believe the market is going to go on a serious downtrend. Now, look, it broke past our floor. It broke past the floor and is dumping down even further. Why is it doing that? Stay tuned and check my next video out. That is going to be explaining the market when it's being oversold or overbought. And that's what most definitely help you to be a super trader, because you will understand why it broke through your floor and understand why it broke through your ceiling, if it does, right? Or if it's just in consolidation and it's just ping ponging back and forth. That's going to be more coming up videos, you guys. So I really want you guys to, man, follow along, because I'm going to give you some sauce, all types of sauce. Now, we had this candle open up underneath our resistance. So now our new floor, our old floor is now our new resistance, right? So it can hit this area, this resistance area. This 288 is now our ceiling. It's not our floor no more, because the next candle had opened up under it. I hope that made sense. So it can hit this area and then come down. And which what I think is going to do. I think it's going to keep touching this area and then it's going to come down, right? But I don't want to drag this video on too long. I hope this made sense. If you're watching it right now, you see what I'm talking about, how the blue candle is rejecting it. It goes up, hit this area and comes back down. Goes up, hit this area and comes back down. So marking up your charts is extremely important, family. And I want you guys to please take notes and mark your charts up to precision. So your analysis will be superb and you can make a bag. If you're uncomfortable with it and you want more help, get a hold of me, inbox me, send me, my email is marksmantrades@gmail.com. Marksman Trades, whole one word, Marksman Trades at gmail.com. My Instagram is dice0007, 0007, not the letters, the numbers, right? And then my Facebook is just Dice Allen. So you guys hit me up, inbox me, DM me, whatever you guys want to do. And we're going to get it popping so I can do some personal coaching for you guys, because personal coaching sometimes be good help for people. I needed a tutor when I was going to school. I needed a personal coach. So that's pretty much what you're doing. You're booking a personal coach to give you the sauce so you can, spread your wings and fly off yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because it was extremely informational. And look what the market is doing. It's respecting our ceiling and it's going down. I'm telling you, I can show you guys how to make a bag. You feel me? But for now, I want to show my peace and love, my gratitude. And I see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded. Never look down on anybody unless you're willing to pick them up. And I'm here to pick up everybody, y'all. See what I'm doing? Showing you guys how to trade. Let's get a bag, y'all. Peace and love.